broken. Yeah!
We're here at Maverick, going on a recovery. Cliffhanger. Apparently, it's just, I gotta go. Okay, I'm back.
We are heading, where are we going? Cliffhanger. Cliffhanger. When you go up Cliffhanger, got a Jeep up there that's not running right. They said they pulled the crank position sensor out, so it might be that. So we're bringing one. Mike has one. See? Parts. So we're gonna
is here.
take that up there, see if that'll fix it, or at least have it run while we pull it out so that he has steering and brakes and everything. We'll go check it out.
So we might have a clutch issue, is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm wondering if, when was the clutch changed last?
About 7 months ago.
Ooh, that rock is hot.
It's hot.
Hot. Did it just stop running, or was it like intermittently?
Yeah, we were winching up this spot here, and then it was almost instant. All of a sudden, it just started running rough, and then it just died.
Okay. There's some really cool sights to be seen over here.
It looked like between this one and the other one there was a different height.
Uh-oh. That's not a good thing.
Yeah, well, like,
it's got a mark on it.
go ahead and fire it up.
Hey-oh!
This brass collar is at a different height on that one. So like maybe it just got hot and walked over, but that's just the flywheel hitting.
Yeah.
But there should be some flex in that flywheel, like just a little bit. Nothing's perfect.
Right.
So that's why there's always that little distance between them.
I guess we can follow you out, right?
Well,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unless you want to do the.
No.
You know,
I'm done. I just want to get out of here.
You want to get out? All right, all right.
I just want to not be here.
Cliffhanger awaits, right?
Yeah.
Well, put a new sensor in it, fix the problem. So we're headed out now.
Yep, a little faster. Okay. Nice and easy. Yep, go ahead. You're going to drop right here. Nice and easy. There you go. Now faster a little bit. Right there. Coming down now. Yep. There you go.
A little bit this way, Sean. Oh, never mind. Bird.
Got everything.
Alright, we got us something going on.
It says lock, but it ain't locking. You in the front wheel?
Neither one.
Yeah, something's very crunchy in that hub. When you were driving down the road, when you pulled out of the shop, your axles were spinning.
Were they?
So that means that hub's been, that's the same thing that was doing when Chris locked it in and then you had to lock it in. So it's spinning in, so it's just done.
Right about when we start going up.
Oh, it'll climb up there in three-wheel.
Yeah.
You just have to be a little snaky.
Alright.
A little snaky, but it'll drive.
Alright, so we made it to right here. And then one of his shock absorbers came apart. So we're gonna pull it off before it wrecks other things.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that'd be bad.
Let it climb. There you go. All right.
Broken. Yeah.
That way, just a little. Right there. Stay right in that groove. Well, that was it, but you stopped.
Man, you guys are good road builders.
Learned it from you, Mike.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, go.
There it is.
Nicely done.
That's, yep. Yeah, just like you are.
Right there. Get it.
Okay, Sean. No drinks were left behind.
Go ahead. Thank you, sir.
Yes. There's this one, which is about chest high. Everything I say, he says something else. Huh? Almost. Oh. Whoa. There it is. No big deal. There it is, there it is. Nicely done. Good driving. All right. Good job. job, good job.
Okie dokie, get my camera.
So there it was. We went up there, put a crank sensor in it, and fired right up. So they drove it off the trail. So that's a win. Now we got to go back to the shop and find out what's wrong with the hub on Wile E, so we can have 4-wheel drive again.
Be back to its super badass self.
Super amazing, awesome self.
Yeah.
Super awesome self.
Super awesome.
Chris broke it last week, and then I broke it this week. But on the opposite side.
All I heard was Sean said Chris stressed it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Chris wasn't here, so she broke it.
Yeah, she
Tell her
did.
that, Mike.
You tell her that. You'll see it on the video.
Thanks for watching, guys. Do I have a air gauge?
I got an air gauge. Yeah, it's full.
It's full. We need less full.
Less full.
Help them.
Good help.
We got Sean over here.
Sup?
We have all had Maverick pizza for lunch.
Good.
It's not agreeing with my diet, meaning now I want to eat all of the pizzas.
Yes.
As long as it's gluten-free, right?
Find 6 more pizzas, eat all of those.
Something tells me that wasn't gluten-free.